So the SEC has been a thorn in the side of XRP and Ripple for a very long period of time, and finally that cloud is clearing. We're getting into much better times, and I do have to say that we're waiting for one last piece of information. But the SEC did the strangest thing yesterday, and it really shows that they have lost their way. Now, when we're looking at XRP, guys, we did go over a few days of drop. I didn't get a chance to get out an XRP video yesterday, but we're still showing a lot of resilience up in this range. Again, guys, our major support and resistances are 54 cents and 68 cents. Right now, we're floating in between our 50 and our 20-day moving averages. So XRP is kind of moving along with the rest of the crypto market right now, which is fine. All right. That means if BTC continues to make some good moves, if Ethereum makes some good moves, it can drag XRP up with it. Everything is looking fine right now. And really the biggest thing we're waiting on is whether the SEC is going to appeal or not. All right. So if you guys remember, they have until October 7th, I believe is the date. It's either the 6th or the 7th. I've seen both days, but they have until the 7th to appeal this case, right? The ruling, the final judgment. Now, the interesting thing about this is we're actually seeing the odds of this dropping. So betting odds right now are actually only 55% that the SEC is going to appeal the case. This has dropped off very heavily from a very high likelihood. In fact, for example, Bill Morgan, who is a pro crypto lawyer, he has said, I'm increasingly less confident that the SEC will appeal the Ripple summary judgment decision if merely legal considerations are influencing the decision whether to appeal. And really, the SEC can't change a whole lot in this case, right? They really can't change the ruling that XRP token itself is an unregistered security. And again, that's a major point of clarity for the industry. Now, for those who missed yesterday's Wells notice issuance, this is the most bizarre thing I've seen the SEC do. I've seen them do some pretty bizarre things over the last few years, but they actually issued a Wells notice to OpenSea, who is an NFT exchange. And what they said is that NFTs are securities, which is the dumbest thing I've ever heard in my life, right? One of the key prongs of the Howey test is an investment in a common enterprise. Only one person can own an NFT. You killed your own argument. You look like an idiot, and you're just wasting taxpayers' dollars at this point. All right. That's my little rant on that. But the SEC is lost. They are searching for something. They're scouring the industry. They're going on their witch hunt. And if you guys haven't noticed, they continue to lose time and time again. That's why I think the likelihood of the SEC actually appealing this is kind of fading. They're focusing on other things. They obviously have ongoing litigation with Coinbase and Binance and Kraken and all these other exchanges. It seems like they're ready to just be done with Ripple in general, which is a big thing, guys. Remember, like I talked about, if we continue climbing here, that major point of break once we get to October, maybe around that 68 cent level, it may be somewhere up here. But I think that final point of clarity when the SEC is done and washed its hands of Ripple and XRP completely and have moved on to much bigger and hopefully better things at that point, that's when I believe there is nothing standing in the way of what XRP and Ripple can do. The big partnerships have been there. The optics have been there. The growth of XRP Ledger has been there. And all we've needed is just this major piece of information. Will they, won't they? And right now, we're definitely moving towards they won't. Appreciate you guys. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this below. Do you guys think this is a weird thing that the SEC is doing? I definitely do. But have a great day. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.